Ever wondered how to make a delicious and healthy snack in just 15 minutes? Well, let's dive into the world of delightful bites with our stuffed cucumber recipe. This quick and easy treat yields 4 servings, and the prep time is a mere 15 minutes. English and Persian cucumbers are the stars of this recipe, offering the perfect size and an excellent crunch. Whether you're after a full-size snack or cute mini bites, these cucumbers have got you covered. Stay tuned to discover a quick and yummy recipe that will surely delight your taste buds. Gather your ingredients, and let's get started. Our star of the show is the English cucumber, chilled and sliced into thick coins. It's the perfect size for this dish, not too big, not too small, and brings an excellent crunch to every bite. If you're in the mood for something a bit more whimsical, Persian cucumbers work splendidly for cute mini bites. Next, we have crumbled feta cheese, adding a tangy, creamy texture, combined with finely chopped roasted nuts for a delightful crunch. The sour cream gives our stuffing a smooth consistency, making it easier to fill our cucumber coins. Our stuffing wouldn't be complete without the prosciutto, cut into bite-sized strips, adding a savory, meaty flavor. A sprig of dill garnishes each coin, lending a fresh, herbaceous note. And finally, we have lemon wedges to serve on the side. A squeeze of lemon just before eating enhances the flavors and adds a zesty kick to our stuffed cucumbers. Got everything? Great! Now on to the fun part. Time to put on your chef's hat and get cooking. Our journey to creating the perfect stuffed cucumber snack begins with a simple combination of 3 ingredients. Grab your bowl, and let's start with the crumbled feta cheese. To this, we're going to add finely chopped roasted nuts for that extra crunch. Now let's mix in the sour cream to bind all these flavors together. Stir it until you have a smooth, creamy mixture. Now take a moment and look at those cucumber coins you've sliced. They're about to transform into a refreshing base for our stuffing. With a small spoon, gently core out the centers of these cucumber coins. Be careful not to go all the way through. We want a little cucumber cup to hold our feta mixture. And now, for the fun part. Scoop a dollop of the feta mix into each cucumber cup. Don't be shy, make sure each cucumber coin gets its fair share of stuffing. Next, we're going to add a touch of elegance to our snack. Drape a strip of prosciutto over each stuffed cucumber coin. And for the final touch, garnish with a sprig of dill. The dill not only adds to the visual appeal, but also brings a fresh, herby flavor that complements the stuffed cucumber perfectly. Serve these delectable bites with wedges of lemon on the side for a quick squeeze just before eating. And there you have it, a delicious and healthy stuffed cucumber snack ready in just 15 minutes. Impress your guests or treat yourself with this easy and tasty recipe. It's as simple as slicing, stuffing, and serving. 15 minutes is all it takes to whip up a delightful snack. So what are you waiting for? Give this stuffed cucumber recipe a try and enjoy a delightful snack.